Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Ring and Nest with Google Sheets logging step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Google account set up and access to Google Sheets. Download the Ring and Nest apps on your smartphone. Log into your Ring and Nest accounts to confirm they are active. Open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet for logging. In your new spreadsheet, label the first row with headers such as date, time, Ring event, and Nest event. Next, open an automation tool like Zapier or Integromat. Create an account if you don't already have one. Choose Ring as your trigger app in the automation tool. Set the trigger event to capture the type of Ring actions you want to log. Connect your Ring account by following the prompts to authenticate. Test the connection to ensure it is working properly. Now, choose Google Sheets as your action app. Select the action event to create a new row in your spreadsheet. Connect your Google Sheets account and authenticate. Map the fields from your Ring trigger to the corresponding columns in your spreadsheet. Make sure to include a timestamp for each event recorded. Repeat the process to set up Nest as a second trigger. Choose the type of Nest actions you wish to log. Connect your Nest account just as you did with Ring. Now, set the action to also add a new row to your Google Sheets for Nest events. Map these fields as needed, ensuring all events are logged in the correct columns. Once all actions are set up, turn on your automation. Monitor your Google Sheets to see new entries as events occur. Make adjustments to the triggers or actions as necessary to optimize performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech